for my second kind of inventor's painting. We dabbled a little bit using paint and glue, but we didn't necessarily do it on paper, if I recall. So this time, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to, again, put some glue onto my tinfoil as to use as my palette and bring out my colors. I'm going to start with just doing some red. So I'll put that, and it's kind of an orangish color. So I will put that and take a little bit of glue and kind of mix them. Now I noticed it kind of washed it out, so I'm curious. Add some more color to it. So this is going to make it a little thicker, and it's going to be really important to wash out that brush when you're done. Add some green, take a little bit of my glue. It might help to add some water. I'm just going to use the flat part of my brush, and I'm just going to do some dabs. Almost looks like footprints walking across. So, even though I didn't start with an image in my head, I kind of am thinking about maybe an early morning. So I'm going to add some more of my glue. Other colors, we kind of see some reds too, don't we? So let's do another. Oops, that's more of a yellow. Take some of my glue. And I'm painting at a diagonal. It seems to make the paint, besides thicker, it just seems a little like shiny for some reason. And now we'll add some brown, I think, onto the bottom. A little bit of my glue. And I'm thinking I'll be covering up my prints, so I might have to go over those again. I always think it's important to cover up unless you deliberately leave white spots for a special effect. It's important to kind of cover them up. Now I'll go back and add my green, again using just the flat portion, and I should really wait till this dries a little bit more. But it kind of seems to have a neat effect. Rinse it out. Use a little darker. Combine the two. Put some glue in there. Now it shows up, and I'm just dabbing. And there we have it. Our second inventive painting using glue. But maybe you have another idea at home, or your mom or your grandma or an older sister or brother have an idea of something else you could use that would be safe and here we have our finished glue painting.